Hello, welcome back. In the previous part we have completed our live chat. So in this part we are going to remove some errors. First we need to go above, and this is the state. We do not need to write this, and this is the object, so give it colon and just go below. In here we are not using is lost message write function, so remove it from here, and inside your hash string rename the name of this hash with giving it h hash. Okay, now go above. Inside your get derived state from props, so whenever we update our state or we pass props from our side panel, okay, in here in this current peer user, whenever we pass on click event, this get derived state from props will be updated. But after updation we need to call this get list history as well, so that we can get list history of that updated peer user. So in get derived state from props we can't write any function inside it. So newest version of React don't allow us to write any function to update, so we will take help from this component update. Every time when our component updates, this component update function will run. So in here we will write, so component update always takes two arguments. First is previous prop and previous state. So we are going to use just previous props here. So we will check if this dot props dot current peer user is not equals to previous props dot current peer user. Okay, so with this, its first argument is previous props. It always takes previous props in it, so our prop is updated with get derived state, so we will match it, or if it is updated then go inside if, and this get list history should be called. Okay, so we need to fetch data for our updated peer user. Okay, so this if condition is very necessary, otherwise you will get error. Otherwise it is going to update your state every time when your state gets updated. So you should check here if current peer user is updated, then call this get list history. Okay, go inside your return, inside render and return. We need to update this current peer user dot name, because we now using it as state. So this dot state dot current peer user dot name. So I think you have added state in here inside your return, inside your contact profile div. Okay, now save this component and go back. Okay, we need to update our side panel. We are not getting our name, so go in John Mars, and if we select our emojis, so all of those emojis, if I select this or send this, then you can see on content message I am not getting my emoji here. Okay, we will see why we are not getting. On Robert Johnson we are getting no message. Okay, if we type, then our text message is looking good, and if we send image, or if we send this image, then our React loading is not in this place, so our image is sent good successfully. Or if we type message and send with this button, so it is also working fine. So this is the right hand side. We need to change our sticker as well, because our sticker is not rendering here. Okay, so log out and log in with Robert Johnson. Okay, and login. Okay, click on here. On left hand side, my text message is not placed and I'm not getting emoji and the time is not on its place. So go back inside live chat. First go below. Okay, inside else part where we are talking about our left side, inside this if else part, we have to give this I capital and go below 301 line. We need to add I capital as well and go above back. Okay, in here we have to type this L capital as well and go below. Okay, just below, and this time, okay, we need to write here another div. Okay, we will write div and we'll write class name and give it class name time setup. Remove this closing div and paste it in here. Okay. Okay, so carefully remove these errors from here and go above. Inside view left item, we have to give class name with E added here. Okay, need to change it and go below. Again, I have found another error. Here we need to write inside class name view padding at left, we need to write I here, and same in here, we need to write I here. Everything is from left hand side, so every error is occurred inside the left part of this if condition. Okay, so we need to write here. Okay, one more thing, we are not getting our Lego or Mimi, so all of those stickers. So remember, we are adding inside GIF with names L1, L2, L3, and this is not finding these cases because we are giving it names full. Okay, so we need to write L1 names as we have given inside cases, L2, L3, L4, L5, 6, and M1, M2, and M3. And you can add L8, L7 as well inside image. You can copy those images inside here storage, L7 and L8. You can add all of them inside here. I have just added till L6, and you can add M4 and M5 as well. So I have not added. You can add those images so that you can view those images in here. I am just getting this. Okay, so go back. So now save your component and go back. Now you can see I am getting this as well, and I'm not getting this message or this. If I send again to send this, now I'm able to send this emoji. Okay, now see why I'm not getting this image in here. Okay, go here and inside here. Okay, we need to add time above here and we need to add time setup here. And one more thing, in format you need to type double L, do not write 11. This is LL, and save it. Go back and we can find our date as well. So if you want to add a zone, then write nothing, and it will give you zone as well. Timing, so we need to write just date and write LL. Okay, now save and go back, and I'm going to log out from here and log out for my account. Log in. Okay, if I go with this, and we can get our emoji, and in here this is our previous emoji. So now we are getting our emoji as well. We can send text message. Okay, and in the left hand side, in side panel, we are not getting our green online circle and our name. Go in here inside side panel. Okay, go, and in here we are getting our username, so write T as well. And inside this image profile, we need to write class online and alt empty. Save this, go back. Okay, now we are getting our green circle and our name. Okay, if I press on Robert Johnson, then you can see our React loading is not on its place. So go back inside live chat and inside return, and we have to write just view loading and save. Go back, and now we have React loading, and can simply give it black texture, and now you can see our loading is here. Okay, now we can send different emojis. Now we can send messages and images. Okay, with this our application has been completed for now. I am going to update this application in next coming month. I will send you announcement emails so that you can get updated. I will add features, and in here we have added this green bar as a hard coded inside side panel. We will update it. We will add functionality who is online now, and this will be done by adding our functional component, because we use hooks. So React hooks always add inside functional components, so we will add functional component for that later on. And then we will add our group chat feature as well. Till then you need to add some more features in here by yourself, and then I will be adding those features for next month. So please stay updated, and goodbye.